बट तांकां एक बिझनेस लॉस जाल्ल्या कारणान कितें तरी अमावंट दिवची आनी फाटल्या सीएमान प्रॉमीस केल्लें म्हणून ह्या सीएमा कडेन सगळी मायनींग भागांतली जनता तशी मोठ्या आशेन पळयता आनी नवीन बजेटूय तेंच्यांनी केल्लो आसा ती रोखडेंच बेगिनात बेगीन तेंणी दिवचें आनी परत एकदां म्हणजे नवीन सीएमान हावजान सांगत जाल्यार लोकांक मातशें बरें दिसतलें ती गजाल अशें म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर.
स्पीकर सर, ह्यो सगळ्यो सूचना ह्या सरकारा समोर आसात, ताच्या खातीर आमी प्रोविजनूय केल्लें आसा. सामान्य लोकांची काळजी घेणारें हें सरकार आसा आनी त्यामुळे तांच्यो ज्यो सूचना आसात खास करून विरोधी पक्ष नेत्याच्यो आनी आमचे हांगा 4 आमदार आसात स्पीकर सर. म्हणजे हांव मुख्यमंत्री जाल्या नंतरच न्ही, ताच्या पयलीं ते 4 आमदार जे ह्या भागांतसून निवडून आयिल्ले आसात ते कशे आदल्या मुख्यमंत्र्या कडेन म्हणजे आईच्या आरेमा कडेन धांवताले आनी गेले 4 म्हयने म्हज्या फाटल्यान कशे आसतात. म्हणजे तांकां दिसले ते घरांतल्या मनशाक आपापल्या भागांतल्या वळखतात, कोणाचेर कशें संकट आयलां ते तांकां खबर आसा. त्यामुळे ह्या सगळ्यांची मदत घेवन आनी कितें करणे आसा निश्चित करुया.
फुडल्या प्रश्ना कडेन आमी या श्री विजय सरदेसाय.
May be permitted to ask star LAQ number 5B.
5B.
5B. Speaker sir, this is a case where lakhs of square meters of orchard or forested land has been converted under the guise of ecotourism, circumventing the regional plan. Speaker sir, in the House we have been repeatedly told that one has to conform with RP 2001 and RP 2021 to be permitted to develop any area. But in spite of the RP 2001 clearly showing certain areas in Kanakon Taluka, in Kanakon Taluka alone there are 22 lakh square meters of land which have been converted in this by using this modus operandi. Speaker sir, in spite of the RP 2001 showing them as orchard areas, these areas have been subsequently converted. So much so that one government officer who on 8/2/2011 rejected a proposal, cleared the same proposal on 1/2/2013. ताका कितें तरी एक परिवर्तन जालें. त्या बोळान मदीं हांगाय परिवर्तन जाल्लें. स्पीकर सर, रिकॉर्ड्स जर काडले जाल्यार अशें कळटा आमी 6 मार्च 2012 निवडून आयले. 9 मार्च 2012 हें सगळें केलें. मागीर 3 दिसान आमी निवडून येवनूच सगळीं कन्वर्जनां सुरवात जाली. हे रिकॉर्ड्स म्हजे कडेन RTI आन्सर्स आहात ताजेर दाखयता. स्पीकर सर, सगळें गोंय जेन्ना वॉज इन द डार्क अबाउट इको टुरिजम पॉलिसी, कोण तरी एक दिल्लीवालो आर्डंट इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर म्हणून ताका हें कळटा, तो एप्लाय करता आनी ताका तुमी मागीर सामकें सरकार आर्डंट सपोर्टर जाता ताजे आनी सगळेंच ताका परमिशन दिता. तो 2,80,000 म्हणजे 79,700 स्क्वेअर मिटर प्लॉट एरिया आहा ताजी, तो 1,57,000 कन्वर्जन मागता, ताका कन्वर्जन दितात, परहॅप्स टू सर्कमवेंट द GCZMA. स्पीकर सर, जो सरकार म्हणटालो की इको टुरिजम हे इको सेन्सिटीव झोन्स काबार करपाक सोदता म्हणून हो करपाक लागलो. आतां स्पीकर सर, म्हजो पयलो प्रश्न, आन्सरान अशें सांगिल्लें आहा की द NOC issued by the DCF South Goa Division on 11/5/2011 is subject to the findings of the state level expert committee on forest and that will be honored. I would like the minister to inform the House what are the findings of the committee with regard to the vegetated area of the land coming under survey number 330/1, which is the subject matter of this question.
Speaker sir, a proposal for conversion of land bearing survey number 330/1 in Lolien village in Kankona has been received from the Collector South. The application is of Ardent Infrastructure and Developers Private Limited, New Delhi. Speaker sir, the said land, that is survey number 331 has been inspected only from the forestry point of view, and accordingly part of the area of survey number 330/1 is found to be thickly vegetated and facing the sea. And accordingly, instructions are issued to keep this area intact. NOC is accorded only to the laterite area without much vegetation. The NOC is also accorded subject to the condition that the findings of the state level private forest
expert committee.
Yeah, expert committee, Government of Goa shall be honored.
What are the findings of that committee? That is my first question.
No, the findings is that there are two patches.
No. The expert committee's findings. I'm specifying, I'm asking a specific question. What are the findings of the state level expert committee with regard to this land?
For Private Forest Identification Committee.
Because
yes.
your DCF clearly says that it is subject to the findings of this committee.
Yes.
I would like to know because it comes under what are the findings?
Are that there are two areas in this survey number 330.
Of the expert committee?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Okay.
There is a thickly vegetated part.
Yeah.
And that part cannot be used for any
Because sir, I think the minister is a little bit mistaken. It is the report of your DCF. The state level expert committee has only been forwarded this. I'm purposely asking you this question to find out from you because Speaker sir,
answering.
No,
Speaker sir, this is a peculiar situation. What is happening? Both the organs are under the same ministry.
it is the committee. It is the committee that has noted that some area of survey number 330/1 is vegetated. And the same is to be surveyed and demarcated. It has to be surveyed and demarcated, but it is found to be vegetated by the committee. Till that time, they have tentatively identified the survey number as private forest.
Because sir, जाला कितें हातून एक सादें जर आमी हें करूंक गेले जाल्यार परमिशन मागलां. स्टेट लेवल कमिटी म्हणटा की ते थिकली वेजिटेटेड, फेसिंग द सी. These are all negative remarks. Yet you go ahead and convert it. So, आता म्हजो next question.
No, permission is granted for any construction activity only in the laterite area. No construction. In fact, the permission will be withdrawn if any construction activity is carried out in the vegetated part.
Because I'll come to the next. In your answer, the DCF refers to a Google map.
Sir, you may sit.
Speaker sir, the Google map that is enclosed in the annexure has been replaced by a part of the regional plan 2021, which has subsequently been scrapped. Either your DCF does not understand the meaning of the word Google map, or he's specifically and intentionally playing the fool with you and misleading you, and in the bargain misleading the House. Speaker sir, what is happening here is that Google map म्हणून दाखयला and तोय काढून ताणे regional planaची copy काढून ताजेर लायल्या. Where is the Google map? And what is this about? Can you ask your this, or can you give me an assurance that you will check this up?
Yes, I will look into this matter. I will discuss with the concerned DCF and settle.
Speaker sir, third एकूच issue. 3 supplementaries जावली.
नेमको विचार, नेमको स्पेसिफिक विचार.
नेमकोच विचारता, सारको नेमको विचारला. Speaker sir, कलेक्टराचें लेटर आहा. 1/2/2011 DCF-आक. DCF reply करता 11/5/2011. That means 3 महिने 10 दिसांनी तो रिप्लाय करता. आता रिप्लाय करतना तो म्हणटा की आमी एक इन्स्पेक्शन केलें म्हणून. आता म्हजें अशें हें आहा, माय क्वेश्चन टू द मिनिस्टर स्पेसिफिकली इज, have you got a logbook or some sort of a report that the inspection took place? Because I very well feel that this inspection and everything that has happened is been sitting in one office. Nobody has gone there. You allow the builder to destroy the forest. See, the Department of the Forest duty is to preserve the forest, not to issue NOCs. Here you are giving the builder chance to finish the forest, and then in 3 months you go there and you say now there is nothing existing. Because even the Google map, what you say, the laterite thing, why did he replace it with the regional plan? Why did he that to a regional plan which your own government has rejected? Why?
Speaker, sir, the Forest Department is very clear about what it has allowed. It is very clear.
Did they have an inspection? Did they conduct an inspection? What is the vehicle that went
committee,
there? Who went there?
The committee.
DCF has written here. DCF has clearly written, and that is their part of the
No,
annexure.
but there is a specific committee for the north and for the south which carries out these inspections. The committee has conducted the inspection, and that is when two separate patches or areas were identified, one of which is laterite and the other is thickly vegetated, and accordingly decision has been taken. To ensure that NOC is granted only for the laterite area.
Speaker sir, when I apply, see, when in the house it has been told to me and told to everyone that if my land is in 2001 is shown as orchard and 2021 is shown as settlement, I can't convert that land. How did you convert it? My whole question is
one second. For identification of private forest, there is certain criteria that has to be followed. Now, if this laterite area
private forest is
has a certain area which is 5 hectares or more, then it qualifies.
Chief Minister,
Speaker sir.
Chief Minister will able to share
हांव एकच भितर हस्तक्षेप करता. एक म्हणजे गुगला वयल्यान पळयतकीर गोंय सगळेच ग्रीन दिसता.
ग्रीन
नंबर 2 गुगला वयल्यान पळयल्लो हो डॉक्युमेंट जावं शकना.
डॉक्युमेंट हांव म्हणीत ना, तो आन्सर दिता गुगल म्हणून आनी काडटा रिजनल प्लॅनाचो कॉपी काडटा आनी ताका चिकटायता. म्हणजे कितें? गुगल आहा जाल्यार गुगल, ग्रीन जाल्यार ग्रीन. हांव
जे ग्रीन व्हेजिटेशन आसा ते म्हणजे ग्रीन व्हेजिटेशन असलें म्हणजे फॉरेस्ट न्हय, फॉरेस्टूच आसा अशें न्हय.
सर हांव ग्रीनाचे कलराचेर हस्तक्षेप घेयत ना. हांव म्हणटा लॅटरायट तांबडो कलर आसूंक जाय आसलो. तांबडोय कलर ना थंय जो रिजनल प्लॅन तुमीच भायर उडयला. स्पीकर सर, म्हजो डिमांड आसा मिनिस्टरा कडेन, यू रिवोक द NOC. You revoke the NOC, put the state level committee, pending that you revoke it. Otherwise you give it to all Goans. Why it is only for these people? Tomorrow I am a landlord, I have got 3 lakh square meters of land. You are allowing this? Nobody in Goa knows. Nobody in Goa knows that this provision is there for the last 3 years. I know so many builders, I know so many developers. They say this is only given in Kanakod, and that too only to select people. Yesterday the Honorable Chief Minister has declared ecotourism policy. He has had the guts, I give him credit for it. He has said that I have given in 5 talukas 20,000 square meter घे 5% बांद. आमकां केन्नाच कोणें सांगूना ही पॉलिसी आहा म्हूण गोंयांत. 3 वर्सां जालीं हांव आमदार हांगाचो, and that too I study and come here. I was not aware. I was shocked. I think you are also not aware. Speaker sir, I feel I am not alleging that you are involved in this. It may be the same people who have told you that they have had to spend crores of rupees to get you elected. They must be collecting money to do such things from such people. Have an investigation. Revoke that NOC.
Speaker sir, to identify any area as private forest, there is a definite criteria. Now, in the given survey number 330/1, if the area under investigation if the plot has an area of more than 5 hectares or more, and it is vegetated, then it will be considered as private forest. Now, adjoining, if there is an area which does not have vegetation,
the zoning,
will not be considered
the zoning
as
in 2001 and 2021 is of no consideration to you? Is it of no consideration? That it shows in 2001 the property is shown as orchard. Does it have no significance? Then let the Chief Minister make a statement.
However,
the original plan is gone. Let them make the statement. Let us accept it.
Let her complete.
No.
Speaker, sir.
But I think I give assurance in the House that I will see that this committee inspects this survey number 330/1
Speaker, sir, I want assurance that you revoke the NOC. The NOC is illegal. Otherwise, give NOCs to all Goans. Why only to the Delhi walas?
आणि आश्वासन दिलं नाही